How to get your Canada promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box, type in your Canada promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, open it. This is the alleged website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for your Canada. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $75 off, 25% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code and click on Redeem at your Canada. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and book your flight and proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of boats. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for your Canada. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the genuine website where you're gonna find tons of offers for your Canada. So this way you can easily get your Canada working promo code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.